Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make picture background transparent on your presentation on PowerPoint. So first, you will need to open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these simple steps. Let's first open our or set our background, and let's just go to the picture or texture field so that we can insert picture as a background. And here, let's go for stock images, for example, and search for a background. Let's just have this crown background here, or you can just go for icons, people, or whatever you want. But the best thing for the background is the images. Also, you can search by genre, or you can just, for example, let's have sunrise. Now it will give us all the sunrise picture that are in the library of the stock images here. So let's search, let's choose this one, and I will have it here. So let's wait for PowerPoint to apply the picture. It is not responding, so it's booked for a while. Let's just have this image, and then here we will find all the things concerning the image. You can start correcting your image. You can add picture to it, and it will be more hot, or you can add more contrast, add more saturation, and you can give it more temperature so it will become warmer or it will become colder. But the picture transparency, you will find it here at the background here, and here there is the transparency. So we need just to add the transparency, and you will have your background that is transparent or not, however you want. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.